Hi, my name is Jahan and today we will answer the questions on the study guide. For number one, the answer is A because the range the range is the highest number subtracting the smallest number. So the highest number is 20 and the lowest number is 8. So 20 minus 8 is 12. So if you do 20 minus 8, that's 12, and the rest don't subtract the 12, so it's class 1. It's A. Number 2,
Number two is 27%. Because if you do half of it, like if you do 9 times 3, it will give you 27, which is your answer. Number three.
number 3. So all you have to do here is subtract. It is divide 5, 5, 4. You have to divide 5 over 4, and that gives you your answer 0.8.
Number four. The length of her garden is 10 feet, and the area of her garden is 50 square feet. So you do the same thing as we did with number two. We did 5 times 1, and that gave us 5.
Number 5. The table shows the age distribution of 250 kids attending summer camp. The percentage, so all we did here was add and subtract, and that gave us the 58.90.
Number 6. Find the median of the data in a stem leaf plot below. Median means the number that's in the middle. So we wrote out all the numbers, and we got the answer 21. Hang on.
Because it's the middle number.
Yeah.
And we put them in order.
Yeah.
Number 7. Number 1 is false because making late payments can't raise your credit score. It lowers. Number 2 is true. A person's credit score could be a factor in getting a job because a credit score can help. Number 3 is true because a credit score is a major factor in getting a mortgage loan. A credit score can help you a lot. And number 4 is also true because having a large loan that has not been paid lowers a person's credit score.
Number 8, yeah. Alita has 5. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. 5. Say.
5.
I'm trying to figure it out. How tall? Feet tall. How tall is Olivia in inches? So basically, we did 3 times. What? Oh,
Alright, so we did, here, look at my paper. Hold on.
other side.
Alright, so, what we did for number 8, we did, a box, a cut in fourths. So 3, 3, so 3 threes, and that's 63, because 3, 6 is 6, so that's 63. Number 9.
Number 9, what we did was we did 9 times 4, which gave us 36, and then we times that. Wait, no. We did 4 times 6, which So, not them. Which gave us 39. Number 10.
Number 10, Gino scored 1720 on his quiz. What percent represents his score? Well, 17 of 20 is 85%. All you need to do is find the percentage, and you can divide. We divided, and if you divide that gets us to 85%. 14.
Juliana. Juliana has a large box and a small box. The smaller box is 1 foot wide, 2 feet long, and 4 feet tall. The large box is 2 feet taller, wider, 2 feet longer, and 1 foot taller than the small box. What is the difference between the volume of the large box and the volume of the small box? Well, we multiplied it, and that gave us to 52. Here, you hold it. Real fast. Yeah. Do the next one.
Alright, so number 12. Which of the following ways to pay for college do not have to be repaid? It's work
Keyword
study.
is not.
It's work study, grant scholarships, and money given as a gift. You don't have to pay those back, but you do have to pay back loans. You don't have to pay back scholarships, money given as gift, work study, or grants.
Alright. Number 13. Mitch has 35 questions or 70 of his test. Mitch has completed 35 questions or 70% of his test before lunch. How many total questions are on the test? Well, if he did if he completed 35 questions or actually 70%, it's almost like half, which will be 50 questions.
14.
It's a little messy.
14. This one was a lot of work. It was hard.
Yeah.
This is the in out. So
The credit means you have to add in the debit means you have to subtract.
So we did that here. We added all the money together. Then we subtracted. We found the
And
balance.
the balance is right there.
The balance is 522.35.
It's not really our balance.
Right here. Right here.
Alright. Number 15. You gonna read it?
Vincent puts out a container that contains 3.5 gallons of sweet tea for his restaurant. Which proportion can be used to find C, the number of cups in Vincent's drink? The answer is going to be A, because 16 is at the top and 1 is at the bottom. And it equals to C, because C, the number of cups, it's always at the top, and this is down here. So,
Number 16. A trail mix. Watch out. A trail mix company observes. Okay. 3 out of 15 pieces of raisins. A bag of trail mix has 200 total pieces at this rate. How many raisins should be in the bag? So, we did 3 out of 15. And we like split it up. Yeah, split it up. So we got 3 over, we got 3 over 15. When we split it up, we got 1 over 5. So if we had that, we would have got 40. Because 3 plus 10, 3 plus 1, which equals 4. And so you should add a 0, which gives you 40.
17. A triangle has two angles that measure 64. So two angles equals 64. So that so if we subtract, it gives us to 52. And this is the smaller. This is the smallest. So if you subtract a certain number, it'll give you the 52, because these parallel lines are bigger. This one is not. 18.
18. Lindsay has 80% of the state capitals memorized for her geography B. Which fraction of the capitals has she learned in lowest term? So we split it up again. We basically did 80% out of 100. We split it up, so we got 8 over 10, and we could, split it up.
Simplified.
Yeah, simplify again. So we did 4 over 5.
That was our answer.
Okay, 4.
So number 19, the mode. The mode is the most recurring number in a line of numbers. So what our answer is A, 2 only, because if you count 1,
Split it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 twos, and that's the highest number out of all. See, like 4, 1, 2. There's only 2 fours, and that's not higher than 8, and all the rest are lower than 8. So 2 is the most recurring number.
Number 20. Glacier records her grades for each assignment in science. Which display correctly represents Ginger's science grade? Well, what we did was we tried to put the numbers in each one. Some of them didn't have all the numbers, and so the only one that had all the numbers was Steve.
So that's the study guide.
I'm Brandon. He's Joseph.
Jahan.
Jahan, whatever.